ओके, आई एम स्टार्टिंग बिना डिले कर किए हुए। কেউ আসবে নাকি আর কেউ আসার গল্প নেই তো? হ্যাঁ, শুভজিৎ আসতে পারে। এ আবার কি খুলছে? এ তো অদ্ভুত অদ্ভুত। पावर पॉइंट प्रेजेंटेशन खोल नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं। ऑफिस से खोलता हूँ। Okay. So today I will start with linkage and crossing over. And this is the maybe I finish both of this part together. So basically, what you see over here, this is the green is a chromosome from the your maternal component, and the red is say from the fathers. It could be the other way around also, father and mother. And what happens? These are known as homologous chromosomes. So you have 23 pairs of homologous chromosomes in your body. One pair from father, one pair from mother. These may not be identical, but the position of the gene, maybe if it is red eye or white eye, black, blue, brown hair or black hair, one may be brown hair, one may be black hair. Black hair is dominant over brown hair. So you can always see whatever components. It's basically there are many genes and it's a mixture of these genes combinations. It can be the same. Both can be black hair. Similarly, a disease, sickle cell anemia. You can be a heterozygous, then you are not a sickle cell anemia. But you don't have that the disease. But if you are homozygous, then you have got sickle cell anemia, and that is very bad. And you can be this way. Then similarly, you can find it for thalassemia. There are many genetic markers like this, which you know, which is very not so good. Some are very good, beneficial. Some are hardly matters. For example, if your eye color is blue or eye color is black or brown, hair color is brown or red or whatever, it hardly matters for the survival of that person. Whether your skin color is fair or dark, it does not matter. So there are some, but the shades are different. There are some difference. Similarly, a dog can be black, brown, mixture. So these are all the combinations of this maternal and paternal chromosomes. So this crossover takes place between non-sister chromatids. Non-sister chromatids are say the one. This one line is a one chromatid. This is the second chromatid. These are sister chromatid. Both the green lines, they are the sister chromatids, and non-sister is the other one. Say the green is from mother and the red is from the father. So if you see that means these are known as non-sister chromatids, but they are homologous chromosomes. Chromosome number 5, say for example, this is chromosome number 5 from father, chromosome number 5 from mother, which is present inside your cell. One came from the sperm of the father, one came from the egg of the mother. They are side by they don't undergo meiosis. That happens in your gametes, but in your normal somatic body cells, it is one set from the chromosomal set which came from the father, and the chromosomal set which came for the mother. They are side by side. But only when they undergo meiosis in the gametes, either oogenesis or in spermatogenesis, only at that time these crossing over takes place. So what happens is that a crossover takes place. You see, it crosses this place, and it's also crossing at this place. It's crossing at this place, and it's crossing at this place. So a result of crossover is that you have a mixture. Now they will divide from half, it will separate into 4 parts. So exchange of DNA between non-sister chromatids takes place. So already the father component and mother component, they mix in here and form your gamete. Your gametes is a mixture of your father and mother component. So this meiosis is taking place over here. So this is the uniqueness which you are giving to your children. This is the uniqueness. Now this component, there are 4 chromatids. They will you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 chromatids. Each chromatid will go into one gamete. So if there are 4 sperms formed, one sperm will have this, second sperm will have this, third sperm will have this, fourth sperm will have this. It's something like this. बीच से खुल जाता है. The meiosis, mitosis, what happens? Now we have heard about independent assortment in Mendel. So you have seen that you had this yellow round homozygote, wrinkled green homozygote. When you cross them, you had the yellow round F1 heterozygote, and then in the F2, if you cross them, you had this 2 unique character in the ratio of 3:3 coming up, and you have this 9:3:3 way. This is independent. This is what Mendel's law said. But Mendel was very fortunate because the characters which he chose, round and yellow or wrinkled and green, they were located on separate chromosomes. But if those characters are located on the same chromosomes, there is this crossing over doesn't take place. It is imagine if this is a thread. If this is a thread, you are making a crossing over. If two things are nearly located, what is the chance that they will be getting crossing over? So the nearer they are, जो जो करीब में है, उतना भी दिक्कत है उसको. You cannot break them. उसको खोल के काट के या तो काट एंड एक्सचेंज. बट इफ देयर से टू जीन्स आर साइड बाय साइड, यू फाइंड दैट दे आर लिंक्ड विद ईच अदर. जुड़ा हुआ रहेगा. उसका उसको तोड़ना डिफिकल्ट है. और जो दूर में है या डिफरेंट क्रोमोसोम में, उसको अलग करना इजी है. दो अलग धागा को यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली सेपरेट देम. बट एक धागा को सेपरेट करने के लिए लंबा है तो दूर से खींचोगे तो इट विल ओपन अप. बट इफ यू टेक इट क्लोज बाय क्लोज, you cannot do it. It is much. उसको और भी force देना पड़ेगा. Something like this. This linkage and crossing, a similar philosophy takes place over here. The closer they are, more difficult it is. There the chances that they will be passed on together in the next generation. और जितना दूर है, the chances are that they will be separated, assorted independently. This is the one. This is what happens. But Mendel said that independent assortment, that this there is nothing called linkage. So Mendel said linkage. It says that the alleles of 2 or more different genes get sorted into gametes independently of one another. In other words, the allele a gamete receives for one gene does not influence that for another gene. So इसका मतलब है कि ये, if there is one gene and one color, say yellow, and if there is round, presence of yellow does not interfere with the inheritance of presence of round. पास में है कोई, they are not affecting each other. But Mendel was fortunate, they were on different chromosomes, उसीलिए they did not interfere with each other. But maybe if they were beside each other, then there is a problem. In sweet pea it was first found. It had something different to say, and that was this phenomenon of linkage. This is the linkage between gene was first found in experiments with sweet pea. It had normally pink flowers. So what are the deviation from independent assortment? Bateson and Punnett in 1905, the famous Punnett square. This was a trait of sweet tea, that flower color can either be purple or it can be red. Purple is dominant to red. Okay, pollen shape can be oblong, lamba, or it can be round. So, purple dominant to red, pollen shape oblong or round. Oblong, matlab lamba is dominant to gold. Now, what he did was, in this cross, purple long, P, P, L, L, capital P, L, L, right? They are basically, this is the dominant trait. It is crossed with red round, P, P, small p, capital L, capital L. So this was basically, this is recessive. A pure parental cross, you expected a 9 dihybrid ratio, 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. This is what you expect. जैसे yellow round के तरह you will have expect. But F1 offspring also, what is expected? It will be purple and long because P is dominant over P, small p over red, and long is dominant over round. You expected purple flowers, long pollen. They are crossed with red flowers, round pollen. F1 offspring, purple flowers, capital P, capital P, small l, capital L, small l. So this is what, this was till Mendel, no problems with Mendel. Mendel के साथ मिल गया. Then this F2 crossing takes place. When this was done, self fertilization took place. So these are the phenotypes you expect. Purple flowers, long pollen, the capital dominant ones. Purple flowers, round pollen, one independent assorted one, new one. Then red flowers, long pollen, another assortment. And the original red flowers, round pollen, the original parental. This was the F2 expected offspring. These are the four phenotypes which you see. You would expect them in 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. But instead of that, this is the expected number. You would expect 240 of them, 80 of them, 80 of them, and 27 of them. This is the expected number. 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Say, for example, in that experiment, ratio will be 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 expected. But observed was, instead of 240, he found 296. Instead of 80, he found 19. Instead of 80, found 27. Instead of 27, found 85. So the ratio became 15 is to 6, 15 is 0.6 is to 1 is to 1.4 is to 4.5. This is not 9 is to 3 is to 3. Wow. So this was a deviation. So this was the F2, the observed ratio is this. The expected ratio of 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1, David Mendel, it was not seen. The parental phenotypes were overrepresented. बहुत ज़्यादा parental मिला है. Non-parental phenotypes were underrepresented. जो new page it was very less, underrepresented. It's as if कुछ रोक रहा है. Something is preventing it. It was that this was the evidence that the two genes do not assort independently. They got other evidence also, but this was the first evidence. The nature of the physical linkage was not apparent to Bateson and Punnett at that time because they did not have this chromosome theory of inheritance, that your genes are located on chromosomes. The genes are physically linked on the same chromosome. Because now we know that, because after Sutton and Boveri gave the chromosomal theory of inheritance, the genes are physically linked on the same chromosome. So what is linkage? Linkage is the close association of genes or other DNA sequences on the same chromosomes. The closer two genes are to each other on the chromosome, closer, the greater the probability that they will be inherited together. जितना पास है उतना पास ही वो लोग जाएंगे, মানে যত কাছে তত কাছেই থাকবে ওরা। চান্স ইন দ্য নেক্সট জেনারেশন দে উইল বি, ওরা একসঙ্গেই থাকবে। So now we have a talk about linkage, recombination, and crossing over. Say this is the parental, a parental. R, capital R, this is dominant, capital red long, white short, something, whatever be it. You are crossing. This is the parental. This is the hybrid. Now we are talking in terms of chromosomes. एक chromosome में RL और एक पास में red long. This is RL. They are on the same chromosome. They are not on the different chromosomes now. Independent assortment अब गया बाद में. Now we know that independent assortment only occurs when they are located on the same chromosomes. But otherwise, what happens is linkage. This is the F1 hybrid you will get. A separate. So far, there is no recombination because one set will come from here, one set will come here, and this will be. There is no recombination. Now there will be a recombination in the gametes, because if there is a recombination among them, the same combination will remain. Now the recombination will take place in the gametes of this plant. Meiosis takes place. Crossing over takes place. No crossing over. This is no crossing over. As such, they are inherited, and there you will have a crossing over taking place between this one X. দেখতে পাচ্ছ তো X এখানে। Result, you will have one non-recombinant chromosomes and recombinant. देखो color अलग हो गया। So non-recombinant, they are known as this is known as coupling phase. This is known as repulsion phase, which we will understand in the next picture. Genes that are on the same chromosome travel through meiosis together. Same chromosomes in the parental one. Parental में देखो, they travel together because R and L are on the same chromosome, so they travel together. ठीक है? But the exception to this traveling together is when recombination occurs and crossing over takes place, and so you call them as recombinant chromosomes. This is what I wrote over here, and can be recombined by crossing over. Crossing over happens, mixture होता है, लेकिन it is on the same chromosome. It is not that easy because they are linked. So linkage phase, coupling phase, travel together. This is a coupling heterozygote. Heterozygote. Heterozygote means one from father, one from mother. The dominant from father and the recessive from mother. Dominant. শুভদীপ পেছন দিকে চলে যাও। And the repulsion phase, একেবারে পেছন দিকে চলে যাও, তুমি লম্বা তো, যা হোক করে বসে যাও, ওটাকে আরেকটু ঠেলে দাও বেসিনের দিকে যদি সুবিধা হয়। Okay, and it has a repulsion heterozygote. देखो वेजिटेरियन खाने से कितना लंबा होता है। Repulsion, इसमें repulsion means the recombination has taken place, right? Now we come to a term known as linkage and frequency of recombination. So this is the heterozygote which is being crossed with a total homozygote, recessive homozygote, a type of, this is a back cross type, or you can say a test cross type situation. This recombinant, a heterozygote, is crossed with a homozygote, the F1, not the parental. It is crossed, so you will have these four type of combination: red long, white short, red short, white long. These you have you will get the parental one. These two are the parental ones, and you will have the recombinant ones. नीचे में all of them are small r small l. So the phenotype which will come is only because of what is present over here, whether if it is recombined or it is not recombined. বুঝতে পারছো না? না দেখতে পাচ্ছি। বসে পড়ো না, কেন দেখতে কেন পাচ্ছ না? এটা হ্যাঁ ওখানে করতে আমাদের বলবি ঠিক আছে পাচ্ছ ঠিক আছে। So this combination, what happens, this cross was done and you had 450 of this, 470 of this, and you had 42 of this and 38 of this. So you had total 920 parental plants and 80 recombinants. So this is underrepresented, this is overrepresented as it's total is 1,000 plants. Out of 1,000 plants, 920 ऐसे हुआ and 80 ऐसे हुआ. So the frequency of recombinants, you are now trying to map the distance between two genes, R and L. What is the distance between R and L? Yeah, there is a unit, they say, on the basis of how close they are and how far they are, how linked they are and how unlinked they are. So you do this 80 divided by 80 plus 920. That is 0.08. So this is the map distance. So key point is linkage between genes is detected as a deviation from the expected based on Mendel's principle of independent assortment. The frequency of recombination, the frequency of recombination measures the intensity of linkage. So the value, the higher the value, that means more recombinants are there. Higher the value, more recombinants are, that means more far away from each other they are. Lower the value, that means closely there, and they are very less recombinants are formed because they are close. Jitna pass hai utna hai. So this is the principle of mapping. The frequency of recombination measures the intensity of linkage. In the absence of linkage, this frequency is 50%. For very tight linkage, it is close to 0. तो होता ही नहीं, हमेशा एक साथ ही आएगा, कभी कभार एक दो आ गया तो यू आर लकी. So next day what we will be talking about 3-point crosses. This was a 2-point cross. You have learned how to find the distance between two genes. Next day we will be talking about online. Next day online on Sunday possibly we will be talking about recombination between 3 genes. Which is the middle gene? What is the gene order? ऐसे करके ये ड्रोसोफिला का पूरा मैप निकल गया जीन का. Which is कौन किसके बाद है? Which gene? You got a whole sequence of all the genes. 1920s, 25s. At that time this happened. Not today. Nowadays it is obsolete. आजकल पढ़ाते नहीं बहुत जगह. They don't teach nowadays. Okay, but I think it's better to learn all these things physically. I will send you I've got a note also, but I'll send you this PPT also. If you can open it in a office, in your mobile office PowerPoint, then you can see the animation, and I'll send you the video recording also. নোটটা আমি খুঁজে পাইনি কালকে, আছে কোথাও একটা জাঙ্কের মধ্যে রয়েছে.